Hello everyone and welcome. Into this video we're going to dive into the world of word chain. What is word chain? We'll find out everything we need to know about it. So let's get started. Word chain is a layer 2 blockchain built on the Optimism OP stack, designed to scale proof of personhood, a system developed by WorldCoin, formerly known as World ID. Here's a breakdown. The core concept of word chain is to provide a more scalable and efficient platform for applications that rely on verifying human identity. What are the key features? It prioritizes human users. Word chain prioritizes transactions initiated by users who have undergone WorldCoin's iris scanning process, which verifies their unique human identity. The second feature is that it is built on optimism, leverages the scalability and security benefits of the Optimism network. The third feature is its open source. WordChain is an open source project fostering transparency and community development. Fourth feature, it focuses on user experience. WordChain aims to improve the user experience for applications built on the platform. Now let's look at the advantages or benefits of WordChain. Number 1, scalability. WordChain addresses the scalability limitations of Ethereum by operating as a layer 2 solution. Number 2, improved user experience. WordChain prioritizes human users, potentially leading to faster transaction times and lower fees. 3. Enhanced security. WordChain benefits from the security and stability. WordChain benefits from the security and stability of the Optimism network. Number 4. Innovation. WordChain contributes to the development of innovative solutions for identity verification and blockchain-based applications. Now let's look at the problems or challenges of WordChain. The cons. 1. Privacy concerns. The use of iris scanning technology for identity verifications has raised significant privacy concerns, and we understand why. Number 2. Centralization risk. Critics argue that the system could potentially lead to increased surveillance and centralization of power. That's also true. Let's say limited adoption. That is the third disadvantage. The technology is still relatively new, and its long-term adoption and impact remains to be seen. In summary, WordChain is a promising technology with the potential to revolutionize how we verify human identity on the blockchain. However, it is crucial to carefully consider the potential implications for privacy and individual rights. Please, this information is for general knowledge and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial or investment advice. The information provided here may be subject to change as the project evolves. I hope this comprehensive overview of WordChain is helpful to you. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this, which we put up every day. So that's it. That's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.